as per the schedule of our FDP. In this video we will discuss about the Google Docs. Docs is basically the part of the Google including the drive, and that is look like as the MS Word. So the 80% functioning of the Google Docs is as like MS Word. The 20% features are different, and they because of this 20% they make these 20% make it special. So there are a lot of limitations of Google Docs as compared to the MS Word. Like on the MS Word we can work without any internet facility, means offline functioning can be in case of the MS Word, whereas in case of the Google Docs we cannot work without internet. So many other limitations also there with the Google Docs. The positive point of the Google Docs is that as compared to the MS Word, that it's completely free of cost. You just have internet facility and your own email ID. You can go on the Google Drive and you can work out on Google Docs. Instead of that MS Word, that is paid version. So you have to buy MS Office so that's why the MS Word is the paid version. Google Docs is completely free of cost. So we study this Google Docs only for these 20% features. Those make it different from the MS Word. Otherwise I suggest you that apart from this 20%, if you would like to work on common basis, on general basis, so I prefer you to go with the MS Word instead of the Google Docs. So let us start to work on this Google Docs. Being a teacher or being a faculty in management or technology, so the same, to open it we have to go on our email ID. First of all, this one, the drive. So let us open it. Google Apps, Drive. And next is the My Drive. We already discussed about this Google Forms in the first video, that how to make the online class test or the quiz, and in this video we discuss about this Google Docs. So let us discuss the features of this Google Docs. The first of all, the main feature of this Google Doc is that at the same time more than one person can work on one file. Like this is my one file, something is related to the Indian telecom sector, and I suppose write one page on this one, and I would like to check it by my boss. So what we do in case of the MS Word, we save it and we send it to my boss through the email or WhatsApp. My boss will open it and do the necessary changes, and telephonically he discuss with me and send back me. But in case of this Google Docs, no need to go for all this long procedure. Very simple. I forward it, I share it. This is the share. I click on the share, the name, telecom, name to this particular file, telecom sector or telecom project, and save. Now I write the email ID of my boss and done. So what will happen? It will go on the mail ID, or it will transfer on the mail ID of my boss. When he will open the same page in the Google Docs, on his Google Docs will open out. Now the main feature is when I will work on this, the same time he can check it, and the vice versa. When he work on it, I can check it on the same time, and the simultaneously we both can work at a time. Suppose I am writing here something, and it is possible that the same time my boss will writing something at here, and we both can see what he is writing and what I am writing, what I am doing on this one. So not only two person, if you share with 5 people and they all 5 people open it at the same time, so they can check what you are doing, or you also can check what they are doing. So this is the additional feature which is not possible in case of the MS Word. The same kind of one more thing I would like to share with you. In case of MS Word, you have to save any document after completing. Until unless you will not save it, you cannot open it for the next time. But in case of this Google Docs, no need to save it. I just sign out my account, my Google account, and I go out. Then next time when I open it, the same content will be here. Meanwhile, if my boss will include anything, I will be show that remark also. So this is the comment box also. When I send it and my boss he find that some mistakes are there, or some he would like to add on his own remark, so he can go on this one and he can put the remark. So next time when I open it, I can be able to see his remark, and according to his remark I can change on this project. So I can work according to his direction and his supervision. So this is the main one feature of this Google Doc. You can share with more than one person, and the same time you all can work on it, and whenever you work on it, they can check it the same time, or vice versa. The second feature of this Google Docs is, we go on this one. This is the voice typing. This is the feature you can speak out, and the same content will type here, and it can be possible in many languages. These are the languages. As per the requirement, you select any one. You can take Hindi or English. Hindi is also, Marathi is also, Nepali and other languages. Gujarati is here, Urdu language is here, English language is here, Dutch language is here. So many languages are here. So this is, suppose I would like to type something, voice typing in English language. So I press it. Hi, we will talk about the Indian telecom sector. The Indian telecom sector is growing very fast, as per the report of Telecom Regulatory. So this is the second feature. No need to type, no need to press keywords, key buttons. You just speak out and you can type content in any language. Any, in the sense, whatever is possible in the what kind of possible in the Google Docs, as per their facility, as per their facilitate. So this is the second one. The third one, suppose I typed in the English language, and when I completed my task, I found that due to lack of communication, I typed in the English language. It should be in the Hindi language. हिंदी में ये होना था और गलती से मैंने इसको इंग्लिश में टाइप कर दिया. सो either I go for again typing process and I delete it and typed in Hindi. But in case of the Google Docs, it gives you the facility to convert this message, this content into the Hindi language. So you select this one, you go here, you translate document, change choose a language. Suppose this is in the English language and I would like to change it into the Hindi. Proper Hindi we are talking. It's not give that kind of Hindi which we use in the SMS when we type the SMS. show, it will not show mera, MERA, it will show I. So this is Hindi language. Translate. देखिए this one, this is the English. Indian telecommunication sector is growing very fast as per the report of the telecom and this that. The same content in the Hindi language. हम भारतीय दूरसंचार क्षेत्र के बारे में बात करेंगे. भारतीय दूरसंचार क्षेत्र बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है. तो the same content. So you can change the language as per requirement. Means some matter, some content in English language, so you can change according to Hindi or your local language or your any foreign language. So that can be possible with the help of the Google Docs. The next additional feature is about the Google Docs is that suppose you have hard copy of some content, there is no soft copy available at your end. So how you make it a soft copy? Very simple. You have a printout. You go for the typing procedure and you type the complete content. Because without typing, it's not possible that you convert this hard copy into the soft copy. But in case of the Google Docs, it can be possible. Either you have PDF file, you have JPG file, you have MS Word or MS Excel. Printout, sorry. They all suppose in the sense of you have printout, JPG printout or whatever is there. You have a picture, suppose you have a JPG picture of some content and you would like to convert it into the soft copy, or you have a A4 size on A4 size paper printout, you also would like to convert it into the soft copy. So no need to go for the long procedure of the typing. You can convert it into the soft copy with the help of the Google Docs. So how is it possible? Let us work on this one. For this we have to come on this My Drive. That is basically the part of My Drive. Upload files. You choose any file. I have a photo. Some content is there. This is the content I write down with the help of the pen. So uploading one item. So what we have to do, we have to go on My Drive and we select on upload file and we select the file from our browser. So this file is completed, one upload completed. Go on the recent. This is 8th class Sanskrit JPG. So this JPG we have to convert it into the soft copy. We select on this one, open with we right click on this one, this notification just open out, open with the Google Docs. See it. This is the photo JPG and the same content is come into the as a soft copy, this one. So it can be possible with the help of My Drive and the Google Docs. It means if you have a notes of 400 pages from your friends, so no need to go for the photocopy. You get the pictures and with the help of this one you can make your own soft copy. No need to go for the typing, no need to go for the printout or photocopy. Any page, if you would like to convert it into the soft copy, you can do that. One more feature we will discuss in this video. Suppose you are going to organize a faculty development program as I have seen that lot of participants, they belongs to various universities and colleges. They are the senior faculty members. Most of the people are doctorate and professors. So it's my pleasure also that you people join this FDP. Suppose you would like to go for organize one faculty development program, and you make your FDP schedule, and this FDP schedule you would like to send with the help of the social media. So there are two options: either you make a PDF file of your FDP schedule or MS Word file, and you forward it. The second option, you convert this PDP or MS Word into a small link, and you share this small link with other peoples. So the interested people, when they click on this link, the same your MS Word or PDF or your JPG file will open out. Means with the help of this My Drive, you can convert your file into a small link. So how is it possible? Let us work on it. Very simple. Suppose this is the JPG file 8th class Sanskrit. I would like to convert it into a link. I click on this one and get shareable link. So this on my file, it convert into this small link, and I copy this link, and now I can forward it to anybody with the help of Gmail or the WhatsApp, Facebook. So the people, those who will be interested, they find this link, they click on this link, and this page will open out. This one. We are talking outside. This one. So any file, either you have PDF or MS Word or JPG, you can convert it into a small link. You right click on this one, and later on go for the get shareable link. This complete file convert, either there are 100 pages or more than 100 pages of MS Word or PDF. They all will convert into a small link, and this link you can share with other peoples. So these are some features of Google Docs, and this video we discussed. The other special features we will discuss in next video. So you go on my YouTube channel, and you can find a video about this Google Docs. So for this, it's enough from my side. Thank you.